Hi, this is Safeguard Labor Management Tutorial 2. This tutorial is designed to help a user use the Master Setup section. We shall explore all the features under that tab, from the Manage User section to the Shift Control section. There are quite many options under this tab, and so in this video we shall learn the first 6, and the last 7 shall be discussed in the Masters Setup Part 2. I shall call this video Masters Setup Part 1. Alright, log into your company website, and go to the Master Setup tab. If you forgot how to log in, or you are experiencing any login issues, refer to the How to Log In video posted above, or send an email describing your problem to support@sellsoftechnologies.com. Alright, I hope you are now set. The first option on the menu under the Master Setup tab is Manage Users. Here, the company administrator or supervisor can view the users of the system. Under the Action tab, the administrator can add a user or delete a user. To add a user, click on the drop-down arrow on the Action tab, then click on Add User. Enter the user details and click on Save. To delete a user, tick on the checkbox against the user details. You can tick as many users as you wish if you want to delete all of them at once. Go to the Action button and click on the second option, Delete User. The system shall ask you to confirm delete. Click OK to delete. Also, at the end of the user details, there is an Xboxed button which is the Delete button. It deletes a particular user, and it can be more effective when deleting specific users. To edit a user, click on the orange Edit button at the end of the user details, and this will open the edit page. Enter the details that need to be edited and click on Update to save the changes. Alright, I hope this has been easy. I will show you these 3 steps again, for practice. Our next option under the Master Setup menu is the Manage Branches section. Here the company administrator or branch manager can view the available branches, add new branches, delete and also edit branches. To add a new branch, click on Add Branch button. This will open a new details page, where you will add the branch ID and branch name, then click on Save. To delete a branch, tick on the checkbox beside the user details. You can tick multiple boxes if you want to delete multiple users at once. Then click on the Delete button at the top right. The system will ask you to confirm delete. Click OK to delete. Also, there is the Xboxed button at the end of the user details, where one can directly click on it to delete specific users. To edit a particular branch, click on the orange Edit button and a new details page will appear. Enter the branch ID and branch name details you want to edit, and click on Update to save the changes. The next option in the menu under the Master Setup section is the Manage Shift Codes section. Here, the administrator can add or delete shift codes according to the policies of the given company. To add a shift code, click on Add Shift Code and the Add Shift Code Settings Details page will appear. Fill in the code and the name, then click on Save. To delete a shift code, tick the box against the shift code details and click on the Delete Shift Code button at the top right. Alternatively, one can use the Xbox Delete button at the end of the shift code details. To edit a shift code, click on the orange Edit button and an Edit Shift Code Settings page will appear. Enter the new details and click on Update to save the changes. The next option in the menu is the Manage User Profile Types. Here, the company administrator can add user profile types according to the organization policies. To add a user profile type, click on the Add Type button at the top right. The Add User Type Settings page will appear. Enter the user type name and click on Save. To delete a user type name, click on the Xbox Delete button at the end of the user type details. To edit an existing user type name, click on the orange Edit button. Edit the user profile type name and click on Update to save the changes. The sixth and last option in this video on our menu is the Manage Staff Departments section. Here, the company administrator can view, add, delete and edit the departments present in the company. To add a department, click on the Add Department button at the top right. This will open a new Add Department Settings Details page. Enter the department name and click on Save. To delete a particular department, tick on the checkbox against the department details. You can tick several if you want to delete several departments at once. Then click on the Delete button at the top right to delete them. Alternatively, one can click on the Xbox Delete button to delete a specific department. To edit a department, click on the orange Edit button. The Edit Department Details page will appear. Edit the existing department and click on Update to save the new changes. Great! That marks the end of the Master Setup Part 1 in the Safeguard website. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for the Master Setup Part 2. You can also use the comment section to provide feedback or put more tutorial requests. Goodbye.